Every child deserves the chance to realize their fullest potential in life. And while some may focus on the challenges of the children we serve, we see possibilities. Possibilities for confidence, achievement, self-reliance, and joy. We support children with special needs and their families by providing a critical and caring combination of support services, programs, and facilities.
I this morning, but we're finding all sorts of things. Yeah, lots of sprouts. Oh my goodness.
We provide an inclusive and well-rounded environment by welcoming children of all abilities to learn, play, and grow together.